In this video, I'll show you step by step how to promote affiliate links on TikTok and actually make money doing it. I'm at $36,270 a month right now using a simple method that took me forever to figure out. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. I have been doing this business for over 6 years. I know exactly how this business works, so I'll share with you what's working right now in 2026 and how you can promote affiliate links correctly on TikTok. Okay, this is my affiliate account dashboard and this is my payments page, and as you guys can see here, recent payment request details, it's paid. I already received this payment in my PayPal account. So anyway, okay, for people who want to start promoting affiliate links on TikTok and make money doing it, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. You need to join an affiliate marketing program. Okay, the best one, the profitable one that I'm working with is Fiverr Affiliates, and this is my affiliate account dashboard. And just this month, guys, I have made $15,870. Okay, just this month. Okay, anyway, so step number one, you guys need to go to Google and search for Fiverr, search for this website, and just click on the first link over here and sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and just scroll down like this, go to company and click over here on affiliate. Okay, and it's gonna take you to this Fiverr affiliate website, and just scroll down so you guys can check the commission plan and how much they are paying. Okay, from my experience, they are really paying good commissions, guys. So for example, for pro services, guys, you guys can see here that they are paying up to 70% of the first order. Okay, the best part with this affiliate marketing program is that they keep paying you 10% of future orders, meaning that you can keep earning 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. So for example, if one person buys a service from your affiliate link, you will earn 70% of his first order. If the same person will keep buying more services for the next 12 months for 1 year, you keep earning 10% revenue share for each transaction this person will make on Fiverr. Okay, and the lowest that they are paying is 25%. Okay, which is really high commissions. Okay, so if you want to create your affiliate account, just go back to this page here and click on join now like this, and here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you need to do is just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, confirm your password, account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? Click on yes, and what you will do here is you need to put your social media profile link. Okay, so for example, if you want to promote those services on TikTok, you will put here your TikTok profile page. Okay, your TikTok profile page link. Okay, if you want to promote those services on Pinterest, you need to put here your Pinterest profile link. Okay, and before you do that, you need to upload at least between 3 and 5 videos. For example, if you want to promote those affiliate links on TikTok, you need to upload at least between 3 and 5 videos on TikTok that are talking about Fiverr services. Okay, so your account can get approved fast. Okay, scroll down, you have here country, search for your country from here. You guys can start this business from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, and so on. Just search for your country from here and choose your language. If you have a Telegram account, you can put your Telegram account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. Sign up process super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. Okay, you should see your commissions here, your clicks, your CTR, people who used your affiliate link to sign up to Fiverr, and people who used your affiliate link to buy services from you. Okay, it's super easy and simple. So what you need to do next is you need to create a TikTok account. Okay, you need to create a TikTok page profile. Okay, it's of course it's for free. Okay, and you can create it super easy and fast just by using your email address. Okay, so once you finish, you need to choose good services that you will start promoting on TikTok. Okay, so here is what you will do next, guys. You will go back to your Fiverr homepage, to this Fiverr website. Okay, so what you will do next, guys, is you need to promote services related to TikTok. Okay, and since we are using TikTok, we will click here on the search bar of Fiverr and search for, okay, TikTok like this. Just put this keyword TikTok and Fiverr will give you the services that are available on Fiverr related to TikTok. Okay, you have TikTok Shop, TikTok Creative Rewards, TikTok Content Creator, TikTok Editor, and TikTok Monetization and Manager, Dance, and so on. Okay, let's choose the first one. I will choose this one, TikTok Shop. Okay, and here you go. You will find here a lot of sellers who provide this service. So what you will do next, guys, is you need to choose a good seller. How we can choose good sellers? Always choose like level 2 seller, top rated sellers, and the pro sellers, because people will click on your affiliate link. They will go and check the profile of those sellers. They will check the feedback of their customers. If you are choosing good sellers who has good reviews, people also will buy from you and you can earn a commission. Okay, that's why it's super important to choose good sellers. Okay, so let me choose one as an example. I'm gonna choose like this one, level 2 seller, has 5-star, a lot of reviews, 224 reviews, meaning that over 200 people paid for this service, guys, just using this one single seller. Okay, so I will choose this one. I will click on his service like this, and here you go. You guys can see you will be directly in this seller profile page, and as you guys can see, this seller has 4 orders in queue. Okay, you should know, guys, that this service has high demand. Okay, so you need to always promote services that has high demand. You need to promote services that people are already paying for on Fiverr. Okay, that's how we can win, and that's how we can make commissions. You need to promote services that has high demand. Okay, like this one. So what you will do next, as a Fiverr affiliate marketer, you will copy this seller profile link like this. Copy this seller profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard and click over here, and you have dashboard, marketing tools, report, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So if you are promoting level 1, level 2 and top rated sellers, you will copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, if you are promoting pro services, you will copy your affiliate link from here, from this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Okay, for me, guys, I do have this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because I have an old Fiverr affiliate account, and like I said in the beginning, I have been doing this business for over 6 years. That's why I still have this option, but it's almost the same. Fiverr CPA like Fiverr Pro, it's almost the same. Even Fiverr Pro new plan, it's better. Okay, so what you will do next, guys, is you need to promote this affiliate link on TikTok. Okay, and for people who want to take this business seriously, I have created a step-by-step affiliate marketing course that's explaining everything. Okay, how you can get access to all my profitable services I'm promoting. You can get access to me and my team, so we can follow up with you and guide you. And you can also get access to all my AI tools that I'm using to create full content that I'm using to promote my affiliate offers on YouTube, Reddit, Quora, Pinterest, and more. Okay, if you are interested, feel free to reach out to me in my email address and I will send you all the details. Okay, my email address is in my video description. And anyway, let's continue this video. So like I said, what we need to do is we need to promote this affiliate link on TikTok. Okay, so what we will do next, we will go back to this Fiverr seller page. Okay, to this one that we used his service, this one. Okay, and as you guys can see, this seller has a video which is really good. So what we will do next is I will click here, I will double click on his video and click on save video. Okay, and I will save this video to my laptop. Okay, save this video to your laptop. What you will do next, you will go to Canva. Okay, go to Canva and open an account. It's for free, of course, and you can use it for free. Just go to Google, search for Canva, sign up using your email address, and that's it. You should have an account like this one. This will be your home page. Click on video, scroll left over here and click on TikTok video. Okay, and you will be in this page like this. And what you will do next, you will click here on upload, click on upload file and upload the video that you download from Fiverr. Okay, this video here, open, and here you go, and your video will be uploaded to Canva like this. So just keep click on your video and put your video here and make it like this. Okay, edit your video like this, and here you go. So what you will do next, guys, you will click here on text. Okay, click on text and click on add sub hidden like this. And what you will do here is you will put this link in bio, okay, like this, link in bio, because you need to put your affiliate link in your TikTok bio over here like this, okay, link in bio, duplicate, and I will put it here, okay, and here you go, okay. Let me check. And as you can see, you guys have a TikTok video that you can start with, okay. If you already have editing skills and you know how to make videos, you can go and create your own videos. You can create your own video about this service that you want to promote on TikTok and start promoting those services on TikTok. If you don't have any skills, you can start with this, okay. You can start with this. So once you finish, click on share and click on download, and this video will be downloaded into your laptop. Go back to TikTok and open a TikTok profile page and upload this video in your TikTok account. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here and put your affiliate link in your TikTok bio, okay. That's how we can promote affiliate links on TikTok. But if you want to promote a lot of services, of course you need to create an affiliate website, or you need to create a landing page that you will use to promote those services. And you can use just free AI tools to create a landing page or an affiliate website for free and fast, okay. And that's it. Like I said in the beginning, I'm not using just TikTok, I'm also using YouTube, Pinterest, and Reddit and Quora, and my best traffic source for me, guys, is YouTube, okay. If you want to learn more about this affiliate marketing business, feel free to reach out to me in my email address and I will send you all the details. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next videos.